A solid cone has a slant height of 25 centimeters. If the curved surface area is 175 pi centimeters squared, calculate the volume of the cone correct to three significant figures. So we've got here that the slant height is 25 centimeters long. Okay, a couple of things we're missing. We need to find this length here, which is the radius, and this length here, which is the perpendicular height, in order to find the volume. So curved surface area is pi RL, where L is the slant height. To find R, we can say that pi R times 25 must be equal to 175 pi. If we now divide both sides by 25 pi, we get that R is going to be equal to 7 centimeters. And now the volume of the cone is 1/3 pi R squared 8. So it's basically the area of the circle times the height, but we take 1/3 of it. Right, the problem is we don't know what this height is here, so we can use Pythagoras' theorem to say that L squared is equal to R squared plus H squared. So the square on the hypotenuse is the sum of the square on the other two sides. So L squared is equal to R squared plus H squared. So we have that 25 squared is going to be equal to 7 squared plus H squared. We need to find H squared. So that's 7. So doing a subtraction, we do 25 squared minus 7 squared is equal to 8 squared. That will give that H squared is 576. And therefore, in order to find H, we need to take the square root of both sides. We get that H is 24 centimeters. Right, now we can do the volume, which is 1/3 of pi times the radius squared, which is 7 squared, times the height squared, which is 24. That gives you 392 times pi, which is 1,231.504. To three significant figures, that 1 will have no effect on the 3, so we need to put 1, 2, 3 and a 0 centimeters cubed to three significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the volume of a cone from its slant height and the curved surface area. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.